Huh? Did you hear that, little explorers? That's the sound of a donkey. So cute with its long ears. Donkeys are strong and calm. They help carry heavy things and walk slowly but surely. Let's wiggle our ears just like our hee-haw friends.